Draw the sample for the intensity trial.
Sample applied. Smells balanced.
Good. Now for the chemical breakdown. Results are in. It matches the longevity benchmark.
Drawing the sample now for intensity testing.
Analysis complete. Intensity at 85. Profile is a 92% match.
Checking longevity against the benchmark chart.
The production line is a symphony of precision, where every bottle is perfectly filled. Automated systems ensure consistent quality, showcasing the pinnacle represents the future of manufacturing. Palletizing complete. Initiate transport. Forklift en route. Racks clear. Storage confirmed. Stock levels optimal. In the next area, neatly aligned boxes await the finished bottles. The camera follows a bottle as it is placed into a box by an automated system. The workers ensure each bottle is securely protected for transport.
Flow rates are optimal, and we're seeing perfect separation.
Agreed. The pressure is stable. No impurities detected.
Excellent. Let's proceed to the final stage.
Film application is precise, no bubbles or gaps. Temperature and pressure are optimal, seal integrity is confirmed. Next batch is ready, throughput is NSIL. Load secure. Proceed. Copy. Moving in. Next batch ready. Pallets unloading. Check manifests. Perfume batch to conveyor. Europe zone. System confirmed. Diverting now. Next pallet. All clear for dispatch.
Delivery manifest verified. Quantities match.
Moving batch to aisle 7. Storage complete. Ready for retail. That'll be $199.
Here you are.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Let's reposition this display for better access.
Okay, moving it now.
Perfect. Now for the next section. Looks much better. Bay 12, starting check.
Copy Bay 12.
Scanning out stocks 24 units.
Confirmed. Next shelf.
Verifying condition. Good. Scanning now. Bottle log. Packed. Sealing this box. Next shipment ready. Scanning now. Bottle log. Active. Sealing this box. Next shipment ready. The advanced packing line applies multiple layers of protection to these perfume bottles. Workers and machines ensure each bottle is securely correct movement during a luxury product. New York shipment, label confirmed.
Tokyo batch sorted. Next up.
Pallet secure, clear to load. Next pallet, position 2. Final check, all secured.
Everything is included here. Thank you for shopping with us today.
It's lovely, thank you.
This one has fresh citrus top notes.
Interesting, let's try the woody one.
Certainly, it has a rich base of cedar and sandalwood.
That's the one, I can smell the depth.
Hello, I'll get this scanned and wrapped for you. Thank you. All set. Here is your Eau de Luxe, beautifully wrapped.
Okay, let's adjust the spotlights to highlight these bottles.
Good. Now tilt that one left to catch the facets.
Perfect. The presentation is flawless now.
Yes, it really draws the eye. Let's move these forward to catch the eye.
Good idea. I'll grab the Midnight Elegance.
Perfect. And the golden bloom here.
It's great. Very inviting.
Yes, this will draw them in.
Large shipping containers are loaded with perfume boxes for international markets. Automated systems assist in organizing shipments based on delivery destinations.
This one has floral top notes with a citrus heart. It smells fresh. I like that. For something warmer, this has vanilla and spice. Oh, I love that. Oh, perfect.
Sorting accuracy is on point. Watch the plastic stream. Foam is channeling correctly. No cross-contamination.
Mold synchronized, alignment is perfect. Transfer to conveyor is smooth, no jams. Cycle complete, next batch loading.
Flagged item. Micro defect on the neck.
Confirmed. Diverting it now.